Hey everyone, it's Eikos here from iTechFlow, and today I brought you something really amazing product. This is the llano V12 Ultra, a high-performance laptop cooling pod designed for gaming and heavy workloads. And unlike most cooling pods, this one comes with proper Windows software, RGB control, and some seriously aggressive cooling claims. So the big question is, does it actually work and it's worth your money? Let's find out. Let's go! So what is it and who is it for? The llano V12 Ultra is designed especially for Windows gaming laptops, supporting sizes from 15.6 all the way up to 21 inches. This is clearly aimed at gamers, streamers and creators, basically anyone running a laptop that gets hot under load. A quick note before we go further. This one is not compatible with MacBook, so this is strictly a Windows setup. So starting with the design. The V12 Ultra feels solid and premium straight away. You've got a sturdy frame, adjustable height levels for better ergonomics, and a large central front that pulls air directly into the laptop. The RGB lighting is clean and tasteful, not over the top, and if RGB isn't your thing, you can completely turn it off in the software. Now let's talk about the most important part, the cooling performance. At full speed, llano claims the V12 Ultra can reduce CPU and GPU temperatures by up to 44 degrees Celsius in around 90 seconds, depending on the laptop and workload. In real-world use, gaming, heavy multitasking or long sessions, you can clearly see and feel the difference. Temperatures drop faster, performance stays more stable, and thermal throttling is reduced. This isn't just a basic airflow stand, it's designed to actively force cool air into your laptop when it needed the most. Now let's speak about the software. One of the biggest upgrades with the V12 Ultra is the Windows control software, and honestly, this is what makes it stand out. Inside the software, you get real-time CPU and GPU temperature monitoring, so you can instantly see how your system is behaving under load. You also get 3 intelligent cooling modes: low, medium and high. This automatically adjusts the fan speed based on temperature, which is great if you want cooling without constantly tweaking settings. For advanced users, there's also a custom mode, where you can manually control fan speed and create your own cooling profiles. This is perfect for gaming sessions, streaming or rendering work where you want maximum performance. The software also lets you control the RGB lighting with multiple effects and color options and turn it off completely for a clean setup. Overall, the software makes the V12 Ultra feels much more intelligent and premium rather than just being a dumb cooling pod. Now let's speak about the noise and the daily use. In terms of noise, at lower and medium modes, it's very manageable and totally fine for daily use. At maximum fan speed, you'll definitely hear it. But that's expected when you're pushing serious airflow. Personally, I'd only use full speed during gaming or heavy workload. Also, you get a built-in USB hub with 3 USB 3.0 ports, which is really handy for connecting accessories like a mouse, keyboard or external drive. There's also a removable dust filter, which helps keep airflow consistent over time and makes cleaning quick and easy. So let's quickly sum it up. What's the pros and what's the cons? The pros: excellent cooling performance, smart Windows software, adjustable ergonomics, RGB control, and extra USB ports. And the cons is honestly only 2, which is 1, it can be very noisy at full speed, but it's normal and can't use with MacBooks sadly. So my honest final verdict is, if you are running a powerful Windows gaming laptop and heat is limiting your performance, the llano V12 Ultra is serious upgrade. It's not just about keeping things cool, it helps your laptop maintain performance during long gaming or work sessions, and the software control really elevates the experience. For creators and gamers, this is the most advanced cooling pod you can buy right now. And thanks for llano to sending me this product over and sponsoring today's video. It's amazing product, I highly recommend it. So if you enjoyed this review, drop a like, subscribe for more real tech reviews, and check the links down below, including a discount code if it's available. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.